Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I've been getting so many questions about how I've been able to wake up without that bloated feeling lately, and honestly, it's been a game changer for me. I mean, think about it. When you're carrying around excess weight, everything feels heavier, from your joints to your mood, and that's exactly what the gelatin trick has helped me with dropping that heavy feeling. As I dug deeper, I realized that researchers say incorporating gelatin into your daily routine can have a significant impact on weight loss. And I've found that to be true, my friend. By adding a simple gelatin trick to my morning, I've noticed I have more energy, my digestion is better, and I just feel lighter overall. It's amazing how such a small change can add up, and that's exactly what the gelatin trick is all about, making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results. The gelatin trick has been a staple in my routine for weeks now, and I'm excited to share it with you. So be sure to check out the link in my description to get started. And don't forget to check out the pinned comment for some additional tips to help you get the most out of the gelatin trick.